In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban on Monday.com. Welcome to a streamlined process of managing your projects, tasks, and everything in between. Monday.com, with its bright and user-friendly interface, is here to make your project management journey as smooth as possible. And one of the most exciting features, the Kanban board. For those who might be unfamiliar, a Kanban board is a visual tool that helps you to manage your work as it progresses through stages. It's incredibly popular in the realms of project management and software development due to its simplicity and effectiveness. Luckily, integrating this tool into your Monday.com workflow is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. Let's start at the very beginning. Once you've logged into your Monday.com account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen. You'll see a welcoming interface full of color and potential. The first thing you'll want to do is select a board to work with. This could be a board you've already created or one that you're a member of. Boards on Monday.com act as a central hub for your projects, containing all the tasks or pulses and columns you need to track your work. Once you've chosen a board, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a plus icon. This little button is more powerful than it looks, as it's your gateway to adding new elements to your board. With a simple click, a menu will unfold, presenting you with various options to customize and enhance your board. Among these options, you'll find Kanban. Clicking on this will transform your project board into a Kanban board. For those who've never used Kanban before, you're about to see your project in a whole new light. The Kanban view will sort your tasks into columns, each representing a stage in your workflow. This could range from to do, in progress, to done, but the beauty of Kanban on Monday.com is that you can customize these stages to fit the unique needs of your project. From this Kanban view, you'll be able to drag and drop tasks from one stage to another, visually tracking progress as tasks move towards completion. It's an incredibly satisfying and intuitive way to manage projects, allowing you and your team to see at a glance what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where bottlenecks might be forming. But what makes the Kanban board on Monday.com even more special is its flexibility. You can easily modify columns, add new ones, or delete ones that aren't needed. This adaptability ensures that your board evolves with your project, giving you the freedom to manage your tasks in a way that makes the most sense to you and your team. Let's recap what you've learned today. We started on the home screen of Monday.com, ventured into selecting a project board, found our way to the plus icon to add new elements, and embrace the power of the Kanban view. Each step is designed to make your project management experience more visual, flexible, and efficient. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Spend some time playing around with the Kanban view. The best way to understand its potential is by using it. Try creating different stages for your tasks, experiment with colors for each column, and see how moving tasks between columns can provide clear insights into your project's progress. That's all for today's tutorial on how to use Kanban on Monday.com. By now you should feel comfortable navigating to your board, adding the Kanban view, and customizing it to suit your project's needs. Remember, the goal of Kanban is to streamline your workflow, making it more visual and manageable. So dive in, explore, and start managing your projects in a way that's not just productive, but also visually satisfying and intuitive. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.